Hey everyone, welcome back to Billspirit YouTube channel. Today I'll be testing out 3 budget mechanical switches. First up with the KTT Matchas, followed by the akko-fairy-silent-linear-switch and the fairy-silent. After trying them out, I realized I personally prefer smooth, non-silent linears, but I will give you my honest review of each one. I will show you the sound test right after it. First up, we have the KTT Matcha. It's a tactile switch. It has a noticeable bar right at the top, which will give you an instant feedback when you press on it. It's light and responsive. It has a clean pop to the sound. After using it for more, I feel that tactile switches isn't for me. The bump interprets the smoothness I used to. It's not enjoyable as long term. If you still like tactile switch, this is a solid pick for the price. But here's the sound. Next we got the akko-fairy-silent-linear-switch. Honestly, this is one of my favorite of all three. It's a linear switches. First thing I noticed is a smooth right out the box. It's barely any scratches when pressing down. It's soft and talky bottom out sound that is super pleasant to hear. It's not loud, but it's not completely silent either. It's just a right balanced sound. The key press is consistent from top to bottom, and I've never felt any wobbly or resistance. This makes it really comfortable to type on, especially for long typing sessions or gaming. The spring weighted feel just right, not too heavy, not too light. It's giving it a natural feel that doesn't tire your fingers. Lastly is the fairy-silent. It's a silent linear switches that executes silence. When typing on it, you barely hear anything. It's dampened on both press and release, making it super quiet. Perfect if you are in a shared space or working in the recording studio or working late at night. It's really feels smooth and soft and smooth. For me, it's a bit too muted. It lacks on the sound, the feedback that makes typing enjoyable. The silent sounds takes away the fun and overtime. I found it less engaging to use. So while it's a good option, if the noise is your main concern, it's not something I will use for my daily setup. Here's the fairy sound test.